The flag raising exercise of 2016 is set to take on a new format, as the Granger administration envisages a more eventful way to mark the occasion. This includes a shift from the customary location of the Parliament buildings to the new development park at Durban Park, now called Jubilee Park. Construction works at the site commenced quite some time, but the pace at which the project is going is evident there is a need to complete this phase in a timely manner. Mr. Bobby Vera is assuring, however, that for the events on the 23rd, all preparations will be complete.
We will be completed. We're almost complete. We're just doing some final touches to the facility. As you know, the park, Durban Park, is really being prepared for May 26. So we're interrupting what we're doing for May 26 to accommodate the flag raising ceremony at the request of His Excellency.
Vera went on to know that great attention is being placed on safety and other concerns, saying that nothing should interfere with that feeling of national pride. He went on to detail some aspects of the construction that will be completed this evening.
Everything is here. The lights are here. The horns, the special speaker system, the stadium type speaker system, they're here as well. The stage will be completed. The flagpole is up, it's set, it's painted, it's ready. Just to lift the flag and we get going. The area for the parade square is all set and ready.
Vera told Headline News that there will not be a lot of changes to the national flag raising program, since attendees can look forward to the usual singing of national songs and a state-of-the-art military march past. Those unable to attend will not be left out, and Mr. Vera explains why.
It's a national event. It will be televised live on television and on the internet as well, so people all around the world will have an opportunity to participate from wherever they are to see what's happening.
Behind me, Basil, is a 200-foot flagpole that will be used to hoist this year's flag. It is expected to be the largest golden arrowhead ever hoisted for our Republic celebrations.